Hola Nutri people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for following thus far. Today is day 13 of our 21 days nutrition gist with Nutriojay. Today we'll be talking about healthy snacking. How can you make snacking healthy? Is there even anything like healthy snacking? So healthy snacking is a way of making your little foods, things that you snack on, picking the healthy options of snacking. And how can you make healthy snacking possible? It is by going for the options that are healthy, little foods that are nutrient dense, they are healthy for you, they are small, those small foods. For example, you can make fruits as your snack. Whole fruits, you can just cut them into little chunks or take them whole. An apple can be your snack for the day. A pear can be your snack for the day. A mango can be your snack for the day. Also, nuts like cashew nuts, groundnuts, pecan nuts, macadamia, different types of nuts, they can be your snack. You can use them as an healthy option of snacking. Another things are seeds, sunflower seeds, seeds around that are edible. I know that you can cope with them, you are not allergic to them. Please remember that an allergy is a thing. If you are allergic to food, that allergy is foods that you react to, your body easily reacts to. So you can avoid those ones. But the ones that you are not allergic to, you can include them in your snacks, include them in your lunch box, include them in your children's lunch box. You can make them available even in your workplace so that you can, when you are eating or when you are just hungry during work, you can snack on them. You can get a bottle of cashew nuts, a bottle of groundnuts, a bottle of any of these nuts, and just keep them at your work table or inside your drawer or somewhere around your work table where you can easily reach them when you need to munch on something during work or you are hungry. Please don't replace snacks with food. That's why they are small foods, just to keep your mouth busy when you want to eat something and probably you've eaten a real meal or after eating a real meal. In summary, replace this kind of food with this kind of food, and that will make your healthy snacking very possible. Also, don't replace snacks with food. They are two different things. You eat a real food, and snacks, like the word implies, they are snacks. They are not real foods, but they are just add-ons to the real food. And that will be all for today. Thank you. Bye.